In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then click on the icon of it available at the top. Select split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!